Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off disappearing messages on Messenger. Now guys, disappearing messages on Messenger is a feature that can be found on Facebook Messenger where the messages sent within a period of time on Messenger disappears, meaning both parties cannot see that message anymore. Now guys, to turn this off, because you can actually lose messages through this, you want to head over to your Messenger, and guys, you're going to be tapping on that particular friend that the disappearing message is turned on, and you'll be tapping on their name at the top, and then scroll over guys to where you see disappearing messages. Now I'm going to just be tapping on disappearing messages, and as you can see guys, this is turned on for 24 hours. And now guys, I'm just going to switch my option from 24 hours to off, and you and your friend can enjoy that conversation without having the fear under 24 hours that your message is going to disappear. Now guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the How To channel. I'll see you next time in my next tutorial. Bye.